How to get rid of spiders naturally by Ace Pest Control. Nobody likes spiders to keep in their home. There is natural ways to stop them to enter into your premises. But what if you are already struggling with the spider menace? We suggest you seek the help of a professional spider control services to inspect the spider infestation. After knowing about the seriousness of the pest infestation, any controlling activity can be executed. There are many ways to protect your home from spider mess. An all-natural spider repellent spray. You can make an all-natural spider repellent. To prepare this chemical-free natural spider repellent solution, you need some essential oils, apple cider vinegar, water, and a spray bottle. Make a solution putting together all the ingredients. Pour it in a spray bottle and use it with caution. The oils in the solution can stain your carpets, sofa, and bedding. Use white vinegar. Make a diluted solution using water with white vinegar. The solution should be prepared by mixing 1 part water and 1 part vinegar. Pour the white vinegar solution to a spray bottle and use it on the suspected areas like cabinets, sinks, closets, and corners to keep the spiders away. Use citrus orange peels. To prepare an orange peel citrus solution, you need to peel the fruit and cut the peel into small chunks. Then soak the chunks with hot water overnight. Next morning add a 1/4 cup of witch hazel to the solution. Your orange peel solution is ready to use. Pour it into a spray bottle and use. Hire professional services. We, the Ace Pest Control, is the best customer-centric spider control service provider in your area. Book our pest control service package for your requirement. We can deal with all type of pest menace. We start with the pest inspection and finish with the controlling and elimination activity to provide you a complete pest solution. We are not expensive, rather we are a cost-effective service provider. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to get more pest control tips.